Hi everyone! Good morning, isang mapagpalang hapon po sa bawat isa. Today ay December 18, 2025. So, ang naisip ko pang border sa aking devotional notebook for today is a sunflower, gloomy, basta sunflower border. And then, as you can see, this is a very good I believe this is an acrylic coloring pen that we're using. So, hindi siya tumatagos sa likod ng notebook nyo, guys. And talino nakaisip nito. It's a kind of marker that will not bled your notebooks. So, this is good for your Bibles as a marker. And also, good for the devotional notebook or for journaling. Nag-advertise. So, ganyan po siya. So, hopefully, everyone ay ma-inspire, doing their devotions by having, of course, some arte na borders. And this will be a testament whenever you'll have a baby someday, then your baby will get to see